Hello guys, this is Krishna. Thank you for joining me on this quick video that I'm gonna do on Cloudways. And what we're gonna cover is maybe a question that you might be wondering is how do you cancel or delete your Cloudways account? So the thing with Cloudways is contrary to a lot of the other web host providers out there, a lot of them will charge you on a yearly basis. So, you need to basically use the service for a certain amount of time, and usually just renew automatically when that time is passed, right? So Cloudways doesn't have that and makes it really flexible. You basically charge every month on a monthly basis, and if it happens that you do not need anymore, you don't have a use anymore of a specific website, of the server, you just go ahead, delete that instance. So the main thing that you need to delete is to delete the server, because if you come up here, let's say you don't have a need anymore of that application, and in this case over here it doesn't actually let you delete it if you only have one application, right? So let's, if we're trying to delete it right now, it's gonna let us know that we cannot delete it if that's the only application on the server. So we need at least one application left on the server to be able to delete another application. So if I try to do that, you're gonna see over here say you can delete the only application on the server. So the reason why I'm saying that is because you don't want to maybe just delete the if you had maybe two application here, two applications here, you just delete the one that you don't need and you leave the other one over here. It's gonna keep increasing incurring some cost, right? So the main thing that you need to delete is gonna be the server. So you don't need to contact Cloudways support for it. uh, when you don't need it, you just go ahead, delete that instance of the server. Your account is still gonna be uh, basically active, right? But it's gonna stop incurring any cost. So we're just gonna come up here, we're gonna say no need, and you just tap, maybe delete, or if there is any other issue, you can put it here, and it's gonna delete that server. And basically, you're gonna stop incurring any further costs. But in the future, if you still have a need for it, you just come back, restart a new server, and you're good to go from there. And you can do it at any point, right? Whether it's at the middle of the month, beginning of the month, end of the month, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, doesn't matter, right? That's really what I like about Cloudways, the flexibility that it has, that a lot of the other web hosts out there really don't give you. So that was a quick video that I had on it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it below.